Unlocking the secrets. How to make money online. With the rise of the internet and technology, making money online has become a more viable option than ever before. There are countless ways to make money online, and many people are turning to the internet as a way to supplement or even replace their traditional income. The possibilities are endless, from starting your own online business to completing surveys or participating in affiliate marketing. However, with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this video, we will be unlocking the secrets of making money online, providing you with a comprehensive guide on how to get started, what to expect, and how to succeed. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a way to make extra income, this post will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to help you achieve your financial goals. 1. Introduction. The allure of making money online. In today's digital age, the allure of making money online has captivated the minds of people worldwide. The idea of earning a substantial income from the comfort of one's own home or anywhere with an internet connection is undeniably enticing. And with the advancement of technology and the rise of various online platforms, the opportunities to generate income online are seemingly limitless. 2. Debunking common misconceptions about making money online. By debunking these common misconceptions, you can approach the world of online money making with a realistic mindset and set yourself up for success. Remember, making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right strategies, persistence, and a willingness to adapt and learn, you can unlock the secrets to building a profitable online venture. 3. Identifying your skills and interests. Identifying your skills and interests is a crucial step in unlocking the secrets to making money online. This step is often overlooked, but it is the foundation upon which your online success will be built. Take a moment to reflect on your own unique set of skills and interests. What are you truly passionate about? What are you naturally good at? By identifying these key areas, you can start to explore opportunities that align with your strengths and interests. Lastly, building a strong online presence and leveraging social media platforms can significantly boost your website or blog's profitability. Engage with your audience, promote your content, and collaborate with influencers or brands in your niche to expand your reach and attract more visitors. Building a profitable website or blog requires dedication, consistency, and continuous learning. By focusing on providing value, optimizing for search engines, exploring various monetization methods, and expanding your online presence, you can unlock the secrets to making money online and turn your passion into a thriving online business. We hope you found our video on unlocking the secrets to making money online informative and inspiring. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to generate income online, and we have provided you with valuable insights and strategies to help you get started. Remember, success in the online world takes time, effort, and determination. Stay focused, keep learning, and never be afraid to take risks. With the right mindset and the knowledge gained from our YouTube channel, you are well on your way to unlocking the potential of making money online. Good luck on your journey, and may your online ventures be prosperous.